If you saw my video last week, you know that I've successfully completed a Christmas tree out of a live pine branch. I saw where you can try to keep your wood moist by keeping it in soapy water. So I'm going to try again and see if I can repeat the process, because that's what learning is all about. This tells you how much I can't see. So I was going through my bits and I'm like, where's my 3/8? Now I'm going to use the drill press so I can make sure that I don't go topsy-turvy. When I hold my drills, sometimes I don't get it as straight as I would like it. Not sure my husband's going to appreciate that my wet wood's dripping all over his press, but we'll see how it works out. Now, I'm sure some of you have tricks so you don't go too deep into the wood. Sharpies work so you know where you're going. Now I have my blue tape and it's not quite as deep as it should be, but it has a tendency to crumple for me. So I always give myself a little extra space to not mess up. I've also seen where people take this and use the lathe to tighten their bolt. I always forget the name of what this bolt is called. Now, I don't know if my skill level is at that to try and do that, but I'm going to give it a shot. So I've got this set up. I'm a little nervous this time. I had adult supervision, aka my husband, last time. So hopefully nerves don't get the best of me. I'm going to peel off the bark and then create my tenon so I can flip this so I know the wood is secure. This is going so much better than my last try at this. If you remember the utter mess, I don't want to get cocky. I still have some learning. I got a lot of learning, but it just was more enjoyable this time around. So give us some time and some practice. Now let's see if we can make this a Christmas tree.